Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to export Schedule 1 save files. First, open your tax software and navigate to the section containing your Schedule 1 information. Look for an option that says Export or Save as within the File menu or a dedicated toolbar. This process ensures your data is securely backed up and accessible for future use or sharing. It's a straightforward task that can save you time and effort later on. Once you've found the export feature, you'll typically be prompted to select which specific Schedule 1 data you wish to include. Make sure all relevant entries are checked. Next, choose where you want to save the file on your computer, perhaps a dedicated folder for tax documents. Finally, give your exported file a clear and descriptive name like Schedule 1 Export to easily identify it later. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check all your export settings, including the file format and destination. This quick review helps prevent errors. Once you are confident, click the Export or Save button to initiate the process. The software will then generate and save your Schedule 1 file. After completion, navigate to your chosen folder to confirm the file is there and opens correctly, ensuring your data is perfectly preserved. Remember, regularly backing up your Schedule 1 and other important financial documents is crucial for peace of mind. Consider using a secure cloud storage service in addition to local backups for an extra layer of protection against data loss. This ensures your information is safe and accessible whenever you need it. Also, for those looking for quality and comfort, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.